Lawyers to Bobi Wine's events promoter Andrew Mukasa of BAJJO Events, who was arrested on Saturday and detained at Special Investigations Unit in Chileka, led by Elias Lukwago, today camped at Nakawa Magistrates Court in anticipation that the Motor Mouth promoter was to be charged at Nakawa, but only to be disappointed to receive the news that BAJJO was to appear at Buganda Road Court.
We pitched a camp in Chileka this morning. They told us the file had been brought this way together with the suspect. Unfortunately, reaching here, it was a lie, a blatant lie. We have checked all over, magistrates court here. They said they don't know anything about the file. We went to the DPP's office, it is the same story. They have made calls here and there. We can't establish the whereabouts of the file and the suspect himself. So it's like a wild goose chase, but we shall not stop pushing for justice. So what we are going to do again to go back, we have no choice, painfully, we have to go back to Chileka and see Womanya, because he's the person in charge. Since morning his phone has been off, but we have to trace him physically. So we are going back to Chileka to establish the truth of the matter, tell them actually that you have told us lies, the file is not this way, yet under the Constitution, as lawyers, we are entitled to this information.
Although another events promoter, Baram Barugahare, who is known of his support for the National Resistance Movement, had volunteered to stand surety to his rivalry colleague, BAJJO's friend opposed the offer and instead mobilized other sureties to stand in.
Seno buli muntu yenna mubi ate buli muntu mulungi. Naye buli lokolagana n'omuntu olina okumanya waawo omukomya. Kaakati bwe tuba tutambula ne promota munnaffe mu kito kyange ki Balamu Atyenyi tulina bwe tukikomya. Kubanga olina ababa mukwano go bajja oyinza obutamutuusa mu kisenge. Kaakati omusajja gwe bayita Balamu Barugahare twagala mukomya mu ddiiro, sitwagala mukomya mu kisenge. Eyo ensonga gye njagala okwogera ku Balamu. Balamu muto waffe wabaawo ekirugatta ku lwa promota aba alina okubeerawo. Era yazze kulaba memba. Naye ate ekituuka mu bintu ebiri deep, Balamu akoma mu kisenge. Kuba alina olugambo lungi nnyo.
The Kampala Central Member of Parliament, Muhammad Nsireko, who has gone through arch rivalry of verbal exchange in the recent past, shocked many when he showed up at Buganda Road Court to stand in solidarity with the embattled people power diehard BAJJO, and explains why.
I don't think there is anything illegal in what he said or something new that he said. I don't think there is anything criminal. It's meant just to stretch him and make him lose hope for what he is chasing. In my opinion, nothing should divide us, and when someone is in such distress, he needs the comfort of those that share the same goals. We may be using different avenues of addressing issues, but we share the same goal. He's a young man who needs to only be counseled, but he believes in what he says, and what he says is not illegal.
After for over 5 hours in courtroom, BAJJO was paraded before Grade 1 Magistrate Stella Amabilis, who read 2 charges against him, including inciting violence and disturbing the peace of the president, through a video he recorded via Facebook. Drama unfolded when BAJJO pleaded not guilty of the cases of inciting violence and pleaded guilty over the second case. But his lawyer Lukwago intercepted and stopped court from recording his client's plea, claiming that he was ignorant of the language. The presiding magistrate adjourned the case up to 25th of June, when court will find an interpreter. BAJJO was remanded to Luzira prison till Tuesday next week. Report compiled by Fred Kajubi. For Speak Uganda, Record TV.